Corin, your Dallas realtor, and I'm here in Wylie, Texas today, looking at some Bloomfield homes in Emerald Vista. And this is a one-story home. This is the Primrose floor plan, and this is a ready-to-buy home. And it's currently got a $100,000 incentive on it. So if you are looking to get into a one-story home out here in Wylie, this is a great option. It's currently about $630,000. And again, this is a ready-to-buy home, so this is not a model home. So you're going to see some blue tape in there, and what that does is it tells them little corrections that they need to make on the house before it closes. So if you see that, that's what that's for. This is going to give you a better idea of what you're actually going to get with these builders when you look at a ready-to-buy home rather than checking out a model home, which has everything done to the nines to try to entice you to buy. So I kind of prefer to check out the ready-to-buy homes. It gives you a more realistic view of what you're actually going to get when you buy the home. So let's go ahead and check it out. And if you are interested in buying a home, before we go, don't forget you can reach out to me day or night. All my contact information is in the description below, and I've got a Calendly link there if you want to do a buyer consultation. I can go over the process of buying a home, what the first steps are, so we can get started. So go ahead and reach out to me, phone, text, or set up Calendly link, and we'll get started right away. And I'd love to hear from you. Let's go ahead and check this place out. So I want to thank you guys for watching until the end. If you like this video, please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. I'm doing new home tours here in Dallas-Fort Worth every week, and I'm also doing other content about the Dallas-Fort Worth housing market. So make sure you check back weekly for new content just like this. Now, if you are interested in this home, this is a Bloomfield home. It's called the Primrose Floor Plan. This exact model is currently ready to buy for $632,000. So if you are interested in buying this home or another home here in Dallas-Fort Worth, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can find all my contact information in the description below, and you can either do a one-on-one buyer consultation through Calendly. We can set up a scheduled time to talk and figure out what you need, and I can go over the process of buying a home with you. Or you can text or call me at my phone number anytime, day or night, and I'd love to start working with you.